All right, hold up. Before you swipe away, let me hit you with a little piece of future tech gossip. Imagine if a billionaire, playboy, philanthropist, genius, that's me, decided to give you your own Jarvis. Well, guess what? The folks at OpenAI might have just pulled a stark move. They call it ChatGPT Pulse. Now, the million-dollar question, is this the real deal or just another shiny toy that's all talk? Stick around and we'll break it down to see if Sam Altman's crew just handed you the keys to your own digital butler or if it's just another flashy gizmo. Let's get started, my man. Automation Sensei will take over from here, and make sure to listen to everything he got to say.
As described by Mr. Stark, OpenAI has just made a brand new addition to the ChatGPT called ChatGPT Pulse, which they call the future of AI chatbots, which basically now works as a proactive assistant rather than reactive. Let me break it down. Reactive assistance means you type in the prompt and it gives you the answer. Usual stuff as we have been doing since its inception. On the other hand, proactive assistance is basically the model itself recognizing what you might want to know and gives you answers before you even ask for it. Just like Tony's Jarvis, which was smart enough to know what he might want to do next and sometimes even doing things on its own for him. Sounds interesting, but scary, right? In this video, we will dive deep into what this ChatGPT Pulse is and how it can be accessed, how does it actually work, and is this of some use for your business or just a flashy gimmick, and what are the anticipated benefits and potential risks to it. We will cover everything, so stick till the end and let's start with the video. As I've given you a short brief, ChatGPT Pulse is a new feature that runs asynchronous research overnight or when you're not actively using it and gives you brief digests in the morning. In simple terms, it's like you own a personal assistant or butler who asks what you want to do or reminds you of important things once you wake up. This feature is currently in the testing stages and available only to the pro users and only on the mobile app, which is, by the way, $200 per month subscription, but the company has said that they are working on making this available to the Plus users soon, which means soon you will be able to experience the Pulse feature on your $20 per month subscription too. Long story short, it basically uses the data from your chat history, memory, feedback, and optionally from connected apps like Gmail, Google Calendar to generate insights and suggestions. The suggestions are then given in the form of short articles or digests that the company is claiming to be not made for endless scrolling. You can read it, give it a thumbs up or down, or maybe curate it further, and then close the app and work on your chores. Coming back to, does this actually provide some value for your business? So I would say it is more of a personal use case feature rather than something that might boost your business. But something that might boost your business is this video where I have laid down 10 insane business use cases that can save your hours and hours every day. Make sure to check it out after this video, as now we are moving towards the anticipated pros and cons of this new feature. Here's what seems good and promising. Number one is convenience and efficiency. You don't have to think of the next prompt. Every morning, the AI surfaces relevant bits proactively. Second is better follow-ups and momentum. Because Pulse tracks what you have been doing, it can suggest next steps or remind you of topics you might want to revisit. Third is personalization and discovery. It could surface things that you didn't realize you'd find useful, basically the adjacent topics based on your patterns and interests. Fourth is controlled and limited feed. Unlike infinite social media or news feeds, Pulse is meant to refresh once daily and not persist unless saved. Now, coming to the cons, or I should say potential risks that the critics are concerned about. So the first one is privacy and data concerns. For Pulse to work well, it needs access to chat history, memory, possibly email, calendar. Some users may see that as too much. Critics worry about how much the system will remember or infer. However, OpenAI claims that it follows ChatGPT privacy model where the data is used to improve your own results and responses and not fed to the global model. It just tunes to you. Second is overreach or maybe creepiness. If AI starts pushing suggestions too aggressively, it could feel intrusive. But the company said that the policy and safety teams are watching it closely to make sure to stop harmful or unhealthy content from surface, and there are multiple filters for it. third is irrelevant or incorrect suggestions. Since it's a preview, sometimes it might surface out of place suggestions, for example, areas you already resolved or miss what you actually want. Alright folks, that's it for this video. Do let me know what are your thoughts about this new feature. Do you think it's useful in any way, and can it be described as OpenAI's Jarvis or not? Also make sure to check out these 10 insane use cases of the latest ChatGPT 5 and one more important thing. Recently I'm using a lot of AI tools to find the best ones for your business, and soon I'm going to reveal the 10 best that actually delivers. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't have to do constant back and forth to find the right tools for your business, and see you over the other end.